In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an image as a thumbnail. Thumbnails are the first thing people see, and a clear, well-chosen image can make your content stand out instantly. The process is quick. You'll open the images menu, then apply it as the thumbnail. I'll walk you through it and share a few helpful pointers along the way. Start by making sure the image you want is visible on your screen, whether it's in a gallery, a media library, or a list of files. When you can see the exact image you want, point your cursor directly at it. Now right-click on the image to open its context menu. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger click usually does the same thing. On a mouse, use the secondary or right button. And if you're on a touch device, a press and hold gesture typically brings up the same menu. The key is that you're opening the option specifically for that image. When the context menu appears, look for the option that says Set as Thumbnail. Sometimes it may appear as Use as Thumbnail, Make Thumbnail, or Set as Cover depending on the app, but the idea is the same. You're telling the system that this image should represent the item. Go ahead and click Set as Thumbnail. After you select it, the thumbnail updates. In many tools, this happens instantly. Some systems may scale or lightly crop the image to fit the standard thumbnail size. That's normal, and it helps keep everything consistent. If you don't see the change right away, give it a second or refresh the view. A brief delay can happen in libraries with lots of images. A few quick tips to get the best result. Choose an image with strong contrast and a clear subject, ideally centered or slightly off-center, so it still reads well if it's cropped. Avoid tiny text that becomes unreadable at small sizes. If the Set as Thumbnail option doesn't appear, double check that you actually right-clicked on the image itself and not on an empty area. If it's grayed out, you may not have permission to change thumbnails, or the file type might not be supported. That's all there is to it. Right-click the image, then click Set as Thumbnail. With just those two actions, you'll give your content a professional, recognizable look that helps viewers find exactly what they're looking for.